Welcome everyone to our professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Luis. Today we're going to be learning about how to create a GitHub account. First, you're going to get on GitHub website using the link https://github.com. Step 2, you're going to click on the sign in or the sign up. Now I'm going to be showing you what to do when you click the sign up option. Step 3, you'll enter your email. Step 4, you will create a password. Step 5, create a username. Step 6, verify your account. Step 7, verify your account with the code that has been sent to your Gmail. Step 8, click on sign in because your details have already been entered. Step 9, answer the questions that have been provided to you, such as how would you describe yourself? You could either be a student, teacher, or a working developer like me. And you're going to also write how many team members will be working with you. It doesn't matter if you don't want to say so, you can just click just me. Once you've answered the question, you're gonna click continue. Step 9, answer the questions again. What are the two things you want to do with GitHub? You can either select up to 2 options or you just select one. Step 10, select the free option. And then you have your account. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.